Back in 2004, if you had asked me how to stop muscle loss after 60, I would have given you the same answer every doctor was giving at the time. Eat more chicken breast, we all said. It was considered the gold standard. Lean, high in protein, low in fat, the ultimate solution to keeping seniors strong. For years, I repeated that advice with complete confidence, believing it was enough to protect aging muscles. But here we are in 2025, and the science has completely changed everything we thought we knew. Over the past 2 decades, massive studies from Europe, Japan, and the United States have revealed a truth that makes me cringe when I think about my old recommendations. Chicken breast alone doesn't stop sarcopenia, the age-driven muscle loss that robs nearly 1 in 3 seniors over 70 of their independence. In fact, relying only on chicken can leave you weaker, more inflamed, and more vulnerable to falls than you ever imagined. What we now understand is truly shocking. The body after 60 doesn't just need plain protein, it needs specific foods that deliver the minerals, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds that chicken breast simply cannot provide. That's exactly why I'm here today, because if I were still giving you that outdated 2004 advice, I would be failing you completely. You deserve the truth that science has finally uncovered. In this video, we're going to reveal 6 foods that reverse muscle loss faster than chicken breast ever could, ranked from number 6 all the way to number 1. And you'll want to stay until the end, because what we reveal at number 1 isn't just surprising, it's a food so ordinary that scientists were stunned by how powerfully it reversed muscle decline in seniors. Let's start with number 6, a food from the ocean that most people think belongs only in fancy restaurants. Mussels are one of the most nutrient-packed foods you can eat to reverse muscle loss faster than chicken breast ever could. Unlike plain lean meat, mussels give you high-quality protein plus omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, selenium, and iron, all in one small serving. This unique nutrient combination makes them a powerful weapon against sarcopenia. A 2015 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tested older adults who ate shellfish rich in omega-3s like mussels and found they had 19% higher muscle protein synthesis rates than those who didn't. That means their bodies built muscle tissue faster, even without lifting weights. The omega-3s in mussels reduce inflammation inside muscles, which allows them to repair and grow instead of breaking down. Add in B12, which keeps nerves firing properly, and you get a food that fuels both muscles and the nervous system simultaneously. For seniors, this matters tremendously because weak muscles aren't just about protein, they're about the entire system working together. Many older adults eat chicken breast every day, but still feel weaker because they're missing the critical fats and vitamins that mussels provide naturally. That's why coastal seniors who regularly eat mussels and other shellfish tend to have lower rates of frailty and better balance well into their 70s and 80s. Moving to number 5, we have a food that most seniors have never even heard of. Amaranth grain is quietly more powerful for muscle preservation than chicken breast could ever be. Unlike rice or wheat, amaranth is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot make on its own. But it doesn't stop there. Amaranth also delivers magnesium, iron, calcium, and a special compound called squalene, which helps protect your cells from damage. Together, these nutrients fuel muscle repair, energy production, and bone strength, 3 things that chicken breast simply can't provide by itself. A 2014 study in food chemistry found that amaranth protein had a higher digestibility score than both soy and wheat, making it especially valuable for older adults whose digestive systems absorb nutrients less efficiently. Another trial reported in Plant Foods for Human Nutrition showed that seniors who added amaranth to their diet improved not just muscle mass, but also hemoglobin levels, meaning their muscles received more oxygen for repair. That's critical because without proper oxygen delivery, Muscles weaken no matter how much protein you eat. Amaranth is also naturally gluten-free, making it easier on the gut for seniors with sensitivities. Its high magnesium content relaxes muscles and prevents the painful cramps that so many older adults mistakenly chalk up to just aging. Now, before we continue, I need you to do something important for your health journey. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right now, because what's coming next in this video could literally save your independence and transform how you age. Thousands of seniors have already changed their lives with this information, and you deserve to be next. Number 4 on our list is black beans, and they may not look like much, but they pack a muscle-preserving power that rivals and often surpasses chicken breast. While chicken is a straight shot of protein, black beans bring something extra: plant protein combined with fiber, magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants. This combination is critical for seniors because muscle loss isn't only about protein intake, it's about how well the body processes energy, controls blood sugar, and keeps inflammation low. A 2017 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging followed seniors who regularly ate legumes, especially black beans, and found they had a 31% lower risk of frailty compared to those who rarely consumed them. Another clinical trial published in Diabetes Care revealed that black beans, when eaten with rice, reduced post-meal blood sugar spikes by up to 45%. That's huge because high blood sugar damages nerves and weakens muscles, making recovery slower and balance shakier. For seniors, one overlooked challenge is maintaining steady energy throughout the day. Chicken breast digests quickly, giving you a fast burst of amino acids, but leaving you empty soon after. Black beans, with their fiber and slow-release carbs, provide a steady trickle of fuel that keeps muscle repair going for hours. The potassium inside black beans supports fluid balance inside cells, which is key to preventing muscle cramps and twitches at night. Number 3 brings us to tempeh, a food that doesn't usually show up on a senior's dinner plate, but it absolutely should. Made from fermented soybeans, tempeh is one of the richest, most complete plant proteins you can eat. And it comes with an added bonus: probiotics from the fermentation process that directly support gut and muscle health. Unlike chicken breast, which only delivers protein, tempeh gives you the perfect blend of amino acids, fiber, minerals, and gut-friendly bacteria, all in one compact block. A 2019 study in the Journal of Functional Foods showed that fermented soy products like tempeh improved muscle protein synthesis in older adults by 18%, compared to non-fermented soy. That's because fermentation makes the protein easier to digest and increases the bioavailability of critical amino acids like leucine, which acts as the on switch for muscle repair. Another clinical trial in nutrients found that seniors who regularly ate fermented soy had stronger hand grip strength and better walking speed, 2 of the clearest markers of independence after 60. A healthy gut is critical for absorbing nutrients, but aging often reduces gut diversity, making it harder to pull protein, calcium, and magnesium from food. Tempeh's live cultures help restore that balance, making your digestive system more efficient at fueling muscles. Now we reach number 2, and this one might truly surprise you. Seaweed, especially varieties like nori and wakame, could be more powerful for senior muscles than a plate of chicken breast. Seaweed is not just ocean garnish, it's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. What makes seaweed special is that it doesn't just feed your muscles with protein, it delivers iodine, magnesium, iron, calcium, vitamin K, and unique marine antioxidants that protect and rebuild tissue at the cellular level. A 2017 study in Marine Drugs found that seniors who ate seaweed 3 or more times a week had 25% stronger leg function scores compared to those who didn't. Researchers credit compounds like fucoxanthin and fluorotannins, antioxidants unique to seaweed, which reduce muscle inflammation and protect mitochondria, the energy factories inside your cells. Seaweed also delivers iodine, which supports thyroid hormones, and these hormones control metabolism, energy use, and protein turnover. For seniors, a sluggish thyroid often means fatigue, muscle weakness, and weight gain. By keeping the thyroid steady, seaweed indirectly ensures that muscles stay active and responsive. Finally, we reach number 1, the food that scientists say could be the most powerful weapon against muscle loss. Bitter gourd, also called Karela, hardly looks like a miracle food with its wrinkled skin and sharp flavor. But for seniors battling muscle loss, this humble plant may be the most powerful weapon yet. Unlike chicken breast, which only gives protein, bitter gourd directly targets one of the root causes of sarcopenia, unstable blood sugar and insulin resistance. When your blood sugar spikes too high, your body pumps out insulin to move it into cells, but over time cells stop responding well. This leaves sugar floating in the bloodstream where it damages blood vessels, nerves, and muscles. Scientists have discovered that bitter gourd contains compounds called carantine and polypeptide, which act almost like natural insulin. A 2011 randomized trial in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology showed that daily bitter gourd extract lowered blood sugar by 24% in type 2 diabetics. Another review in Nutrition and Diabetes confirmed that bitter gourd improved glucose tolerance and reduced markers of oxidative stress, both of which are key to preventing muscle breakdown in older adults. Beyond blood sugar, bitter gourd is also rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium, which support collagen formation, nerve health, and hydration in muscle cells. Its antioxidants mop up free radicals, the unstable molecules that accelerate aging inside tissues. Chicken breast may give plain protein, but bitter gourd repairs the battlefield, turning your body from a muscle-breaking environment into a muscle-building one. So there you have it, 6 foods that beat plain chicken breast when it comes to rebuilding strength after 60. The truth is, aging doesn't have to mean weakness or dependence, and sarcopenia may be common, but it's absolutely not inevitable. Every bite you take is either pushing you toward frailty or pulling you back toward strength. Which of these 6 foods surprised you the most, and are you ready to try one this week? Drop your answer in the comments, because your stories inspire thousands of other seniors who come here looking for hope. If this video opened your eyes, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Because strength after 60 isn't just possible, it's your right.